In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold this amazing paper airplane I designed, and it is called Gladiator. All you need to fold Gladiator is an A4 size paper. So first fold this edge to this edge. Open the paper. Now we're going to fold this edge to this center crease. And then repeat on the other side. And now we're going to open both of the flaps. And now we're going to fold this edge to this edge. Repeat on the other side. Now we're going to close these creases right over here. Now we're going to make a crease that will start from this point and end at this point right over here. I'm going to mark out a line like this. Now we're going to fold this edge to the center crease. And then repeat on the other side. Open both of the flaps. And now we're going to fold this edge to this edge. Repeat on the other side. And then close both of these flaps, and now we have a flap sticking out right over here. We're just going to fold it as far as it can go. Now the flaps are sticking out, but if you fold the paper in half like this, the flaps are now locked. So now we're going to make the wings. So the wing crease will start from this point, and then we will land this edge to this point or corner like this, and flip the paper over and repeat on this side. Can be a little thick, so you need to be careful. Now you can bend the wings a little bit like this, so it makes the letter Y like this. Not too much, not like this, but like this. And you have to bend the wings, the back of the wings, just a little bit, not that much, or it will not fly well. Just a little bit works perfectly. So if you guys liked this video, you can like, and also you can subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a brand new origami video. So see you guys next time. Bye.